Y'all, Hurricane Matthew is coming this way, coming towards Georgia within the next few days. We are having some areas that's close to the water. They are doing a mandatory evacuation, and I'm still here. My job, we're supposed to report to work tomorrow morning, and Friday is supposed to be worse than Thursday, so we may be out of here Thursday night going elsewhere. So I just wanted to come on real quick and show you how it looks out here by my job. It looks spooky. Okay? It really looks like we're just having a bad weather day. No rain so far, just cloudy, just the calm before the storm, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'm starting on this day, which is October 5th, 2016. Yeah. Stay tuned.